Now stay inside with Monkey and learn your lesson.
Don't worry, we'll get out eventually.
Hey, wake up! We're locked in jail! How do we get out? Let me find a way out. Quick! Come with me! Let's go! We stole the police bike! We are free!
Now we will teach that old man a lesson.
All right, grab it. Pull, pull! So heavy. We got it. Come on, big guy. Keep going. We're almost there.
This way! That's faster!
We have so much space here. We can steal and bring more things.
Yes! Let's go quickly!
You go.
Got them. Let's move!
We did it!
High five!
Dave, we made it! Yes!
Finally!
Look! There is something inside!
Let's see what's inside this red egg. What is this?
Look, this is an ostrich chick.
It's the egg. It's gone, calling for help. Hello? Are you there?
Yes, I'm on it! Where did Monkey and Panda go? I will not let them go!
Welcome to the building contest, everyone. Are ready to build? Oh, yes! Ready! Ah! Help, Lego! Let's build a playground! Yeah!
Wow! Look! The elephant bulldozer is here! Hello, big friend!
Look who's here! Hi there! Hello! Wow, you look amazing! Strong!
Come on, everyone. Let's build something amazing. Almost there. Perfect. Nicely done. We did it. Teamwork.
It's Not safe. Huh? Wait, what's happening to the ground?
Great work, Elephant Bulldozer. Looks perfect.
Thank you, Pee-Pee.
Wow, look at our amazing playground.
Hooray!
It's perfect. Let's play.
Great job, everyone! We did it!
Hooray! You all did so amazing. And remember, we're better together. Teamwork is the best. Building together is better.
Today, we harvest apples.
Yeah, Papa!
I must eat fast. Just one more bite. Gotta be quick.
I love apples!
All right, Pee-Pee, we're here.
Wow, Papa! Look at all the apples! Whoa! So many apples fell!
Oh, dear.
Oh, look, Papa! Something took a bite!
Interesting. It seems we have a mystery to solve. There are footprints here.
The trail goes into the forest.
Let's find out.
Pee-Pee, let's get help. I've got to get away. They're coming for me.
Catch that thief!
Run carefully, Pee-Pee.
I'm keeping up!
Don't be afraid. I want to help.
I was very hungry.
Oh, dear.
Why didn't you ask?
Oh, I was scared. I didn't know how.
It's always okay to ask for help, friend. Taking things that aren't yours is not right. We can always ask for help instead.
Okay, Papa.
I'm sorry. Chimito din ko pinapapanimal din na.
Next time, please ask.
Welcome back, Pee-Pee. It's nice to be here again.
Papa, a big red one.
Yes, let's go see it.
Together we can do anything. We make a great team.